Hey everyone, this is Cheryl Hajjar, maid service owner and founder of Maid, Brite Cleaning out of Boston, Mass. I'm also a cleaning business coach, and my company is Sisters Who Scale. So I wanted to jump on today and talk about something a little bit different. Why relationship building in your community will build your maid service faster than actually running Facebook ads. People always ask me, okay, what's your secret to growing a successful and profitable maid service? Do you have the right staff? Oh, you must have a great operations manager or have a massive ad spend on Facebook or Google ads. And although those things may help, it's actually not what built my cleaning business. What built my business is knowing how to build relationships, knowing what people want, understanding that in the cleaning business, you are solving a problem. The parents, right, who are desperate to keep their house clean and sanitized, but they both work full time. And on the weekends, they're running the kids around, sporting events and all kinds of stuff. And the last thing they want to do is clean the house on a Saturday morning at 6 a.m. Or you may have the older retired couple who physically just can't do the cleaning anymore themselves. And you have to realize that it's not about you. It's about helping your community in a way where you're truly making a difference in people's lives. We're all involved as owners on keeping our eye on the profits and walkthroughs, your closing rate, what is it? And those, even though they're all necessary things to master, if you truly want to build your company to a sustainable 6 and 7 figure income, it actually starts with people. So people will choose your company because other people have chosen your company. Their friends use your service, their neighbors, their parents, and their colleagues. And it's all because of the reputation you build in your community. Your brand recognition, your great testimonials, all come from real people. So we're all, as maid service owners, looking for the long-term reoccurring clients, not just those one-time deep cleans. Well, those long-term clients come from the relationships and the brand that you actually build. So in my community, everyone knows me. They know who I am for building a great maid service brand. And that is how, over time, I was able to charge a higher premium for services. And that didn't happen overnight. It took a little time. But anything that is going to be sustainable and worth building is going to take some time. Everybody wants it now. They want it yesterday. But that's not how great brands are built. They're not built by just running a Facebook ad, right? They're built by the continuous nurturing and refining of your processes and the trial and error and the willingness to work at it and do whatever it takes to make it happen. But that all starts with people. So shift your focus on building relationships. That's it. When you're in your next walkthrough, ask them questions about their kids or, what they do for work. Just be human. Be a real person to them so they don't feel like there is just, that pressure to buy. It's so much easier to be a real human in a real conversation and not be attached to that outcome rather than feel like you're desperate to book this client that's in front of you. You'll walk away feeling good about the interaction regardless of what happens. Remember, focus on building relationships and the business will come. I'm Cheryl Hajjar from Maid, Brite Cleaning and Sisters Who Scale.